Hi, my name is Mika. A few months ago, I had traveled to Malaysia and I actually released a Malaysia travel vlog somewhere there, and it's gotten really good response from the people of Malaysia. So, selamat pagi. I hope I pronounced it correctly. But over there, I had stated that I will release my durian eating video. So if you've never traveled to Southeast Asia, chances are you've never encountered the stinkiest fruit on the planet. If you look at the outer shell of the durian, you can tell that it doesn't even want to be opened because of all its spikes. It's like a grenade. It reminds me of like a warning, or like a open at your own risk kind of thing, because it is going to stink. It's so stinky that it's not even allowed in public transport. But this superfruit is also known as the king of fruits.
We are about to eat the king of fruits. The kinky fruit.
And in Malaysia, it is a delicacy among the locals. So me and my friends took that as a perfect opportunity to put our palates through a tolerance test. So it's either a fruit that you will love to love or hate to love. Watch this.
We are headed to the Jalan Alor. Yeah, I kept saying Halan Alor, but apparently in Malaysia they do pronounce the J, so it's Jalan Alor. It is the most popular food market to try Malaysian food, because Malaysia is, after all, Asia's food paradise.
You guys ready to eat durian?
I don't know, I got a bad feeling.
Yeah, actually, How about you?
I don't know, I've never had it.
Except for the locals, everybody in this video is having durian for the very first time.
It's good? No? Okay.
Tastes like egg.
Egg?
Yeah.
No one has ever said it tastes like egg.
It does taste like egg. I don't like it.
Yeah. Bro, you eat balut. But this looks worse. No, what are you talking about? Just try it, it's good. The whole thing. Oh, there you go. Yeah. More, that's not enough.
Oh, it's enough. It's good. It's okay.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
But it tastes like it got dipped in soy sauce.
It looks like a fetus.
That is not balut. Saram. The whole thing inside, no, the whole thing inside. Go. One shot. Come on, more.
Come on, it's for your vlog.
More views.
It's really not good.
It doesn't like. Nice, right? Yeah. I've never eaten durian in my life.
Just for your entertainment.
Kinakain ba yung buto nito? The whole thing. It's like dumpling. Do you bite the seed? Yeah, I think you did. No, you don't have to bite the seed. It's just the whole thing. Irving. Let's get the meat out. I'm shaking.
Ring naman ang liit naman.
Pretty good. Oh, sorry. Sip-sipin mo.
Sip-sipin mo.
Sorry. No.
Now, the local expert shows us how it's done.
See?
We love it. How is it?
This is actually sweet.
Okay, you pay for that.
So to wrap it all up, to me it was very eggy in consistency. It's slimy. And strangely enough, it makes your hands smell like soy sauce. But am open to trying it maybe in dessert and ice cream, but as for eating the fruit itself, I guess it won't happen anytime soon. Are you a durian lover or a durian hater? Don't forget to leave comments below. I'd be interested to know. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another episode of Pinned. Keep pinning!